Good evening from Classic Cars Limited. Today we're featuring a 1968 Corvette convertible. Corvette fans will know that this is the first of the C2 cars, becoming increasingly popular, if for no other reason than the escalating costs of the previous 65 to 67 Corvettes, and many like the styling of this particular car as well. This car comes to us with a reported 53,000 miles, and our inspection would certainly suggest that that mileage may well be correct. Our professional inspectors indicate that the car has virtually all of its original paint, with the exception of a few areas that have been touched up. And as the license plate suggests, it is the car is fitted with the L79 327 cubic inch 350 horsepower engine, mated to a 4-speed M21 transmission. The car also has posi traction, an AM/FM factory radio, and perhaps most important to Corvette enthusiasts, the car has numbers matching engine, transmission, and rear end. The engine compartment is very original and can be seen in the couple of hundred photos that we'll show, including original style manifolds, proper carburation, correct ignition shielding, and a host of other items that remain original to the car. The exterior bright work is excellent, and a few things are not original, but largely this car presents and certainly could be qualified as a survivor. Specifically, these exhaust pipes are not correct for a 1968, and the car was not produced with side exhaust. It is fitted with an option that we hadn't heard about, and we're told that these plates to cover up the rear exhaust were in fact a dealer option in the day. The car has no indications of accident damage, and as the video and photograph support shows very well, particularly for a car that's got original paint. We missed the most important part of this car, and that's, I don't believe I mentioned that it has a reported 53,000 miles. Interior is color coordinated in red and in very nice condition. You can see the AM/FM radio. I don't know if we can show the mileage. 52,000 miles and change. Top does have one minor area of tear deterioration. The window is clear, and certainly the top is serviceable. We will show the decoding of both the trim tag and the VIN number in our write-up to provide yet further information, about the car. And we encourage you to call us at Classic Cars Limited, 925-846-1451, or our website, classiccarsltd.com. We'd be happy to discuss the car and answer any specific questions you may have. Thank you for looking at another one of our classic cars from California. Have a great day.